unleash essential features of Google Doc and go offline with ease. Google Docs is a free online text editor within Google Workspace, offering document creation, editing, and collaboration alongside other productivity apps like Sheets, Slides, Forms, and Keep. Google Docs was launched in 2009, following acquisitions that strengthened its position. In 2012, it was integrated into the Google Drive suite. Google Doc features: Live collaboration, auto-save functionality, version tracking and accessibility enhancements. Utilize the Google Chrome browser for optimal performance. Fetch the Google Docs Offline extension from the Web Store. Enable offline access in your Google Drive account settings. Check the box beside synced Google Docs, Sheets, Slides to Drawings files to this computer to enable offline editing. Allow some time for activation. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the process.